Many people feel tired today, but they do not know why. They wake up in the morning and feel heavy inside. They look at the time and feel afraid. They feel they must move fast, think fast, and do many things in one day. When they're slow, they feel bad. They feel they are late. They feel they are not good enough. They look at other people and see busy lives, full days, and fast steps. They see people who work a lot, learn fast, and always move forward. Then they look at themselves and feel small. They ask inside, why am I so slow? Why can I not move like others? And why do I feel tired all the time? These feelings are very common, but many people do not talk about them. They keep going, even when their bodies and hearts feel weak. But being slow is not wrong. Being slow does not mean you fail. Being slow means you are human. People are not the same every day. Some days we feel strong, and some days we feel slow. This is normal. Life is not made only for fast people. Life is also for quiet people, careful people, and slow people. It is okay for us to be slow. We are people, not machines, and people need time to live, to feel, and to understand their own lives. A machine can work fast every day, but a person cannot. Our bodies feel tired, and our minds feel full. Today the world moves very fast, and many people feel they must move fast too. People walk fast, talk fast, work fast, and think fast. They feel afraid when they stop. They feel afraid when they slow down. They think slow means bad and fast means good. But this idea hurts many people. It makes them feel stress, fear, and pain inside. Being slow is not bad, and it does not mean we are weak or lazy. Being slow means we listen to our bodies and our hearts. Every person has a different speed, a different time, and a different way to live. Some people learn fast, and some people learn slowly, but both ways are okay. Learning slowly does not mean learning badly. When you learn slowly, you still learn. You still grow. You still move forward. A small step is still a step. One small step today and one small step tomorrow can become a long way after some time. Life is not a race, and there is no line that we must reach at the same time as others. Your life is your life, and your time is your time. You do not need to run because other people run. You do not need to hurry because other people hurry. You can walk, and walking is enough. When you walk slowly, you can see more things around you. You can see the sky above you. You can see the light in the day. You can see trees, houses, and people on the street. When you move too fast, you miss many small and quiet things. You miss small smiles. You miss soft sounds. You miss moments that make life feel real. But when you slow down, you feel closer to life. Being slow helps your heart feel calm. It helps your mind feel soft and clear. Many people are busy every day, but they are not happy. They do many things, but inside they feel empty and tired. They do not stop. They do not listen to themselves. When you slow down, you can hear your own thoughts. You can feel your own feelings. You can ask yourself simple questions like, how do I feel today? Or, what do I need right now? Sometimes the answer is rest. Sometimes the answer is quiet. Sometimes the answer is just to breathe and sit still. Rest is not bad. Rest does not mean you give up. Rest helps your body feel better. Rest helps your mind feel strong again. Our bodies are not strong every day. Our minds are not clear every day. This is normal for all people. Some days we feel full of energy, and some days we feel slow and tired. Both kinds of days are part of life. When you wake up in the morning, you do not need to jump out of bed fast. You do not need to rush. You can sit for a moment. You can breathe slowly. You can feel the new day begin. You are alive, and this is already something good. Many people think being slow means being lazy, but slow is not the same as lazy. Slow can mean careful. Slow can mean gentle. Slow can mean kind. When you do things slowly, you do them with care. When you eat slowly, you feel the taste of food more. When you drink slowly, you enjoy it more. When you speak slowly, people can hear you clearly and understand your words better. When you live slowly, you can understand yourself better too. Being slow helps you stay with yourself. It helps you know what you feel and what you need. Being slow also means being kind to yourself. This kindness is very important. You do not need to push yourself hard every day. You do not need to say bad words to yourself when you cannot move fast. You do not need to say you are weak or not good enough. You can speak to yourself with soft words. You can say, "It is okay. I can take my time." This kind voice is important because you hear your own voice every day. That voice can help you feel safe, or it can make you feel afraid. When you choose kind words, your heart feels lighter. In a very fast world, being slow can be hard, and it can be brave. Many people follow the speed of others because they feel afraid to be different. They feel afraid to stop. But slow people listen to their own hearts. They choose peace instead of noise. They choose health instead of stress. They choose to feel their lives, not only to do things all the time. You do not need to finish everything today. You do not need to know everything right now. Life is long. You have many days ahead of you. You can learn little by little. You can grow step by step. A tree does not grow in one day. A flower does not open in 1 hour. They grow slowly, day by day. They grow quietly. And they are beautiful because of that slow growth. You are the same. Your life grows in its own time. When today feels slow, you do not need to feel shame. You do not need to hide. Slow does not mean stop. Slow does not mean fail. Slow means steady. And steady steps can go very far. When you move slowly, you stay close to yourself. You do not lose your way. You can feel your feet on the ground. You can feel your breath in your body. You can feel that you are here and that you are alive. Many people move fast and forget themselves. Slow people remember who they are. One day in the future, you will look back at your slow days. You will feel thankful for them. You will feel thankful because you did not break yourself. You did not push yourself until you felt empty. You rested when you needed rest. You stayed gentle when life felt hard. You stayed patient with yourself. You stayed true to your own heart. It is okay for us to be slow. We are not late. We are not wrong. We are just living in our own way, at our own speed. And that way is right for us. So take your time. Breathe slowly. Move step by step. Life is not running away from you.